Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Zeeglobalvision Services. Today, we're diving into the popular keto diet and discussing how it can help you lose weight. If you're curious about this low-carb, high-fat diet and want to shed some pounds, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started with our guide on what the keto diet is all about and how you can achieve successful weight loss with it. The keto diet, short for ketogenic diet, is a low carbohydrate, high fat eating plan that has gained significant attention for its weight loss benefits. The primary goal of this diet is to shift your body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. But how does it work? Let's break it down. Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body produces ketones from fat as an alternative energy source. This occurs when carbohydrate intake is significantly reduced, forcing your body to tap into fat stores for energy. By maintaining a state of ketosis, you can effectively burn fat and achieve weight loss. On the keto diet, your meals should primarily consist of healthy fats, moderate protein, and very few carbohydrates. Some excellent food choices include avocados, nuts and seeds, fatty fish, eggs, olive oil, and low-carb vegetables. It's crucial to focus on high-quality, nutrient-dense foods to support your overall health during this diet. Now that we have a better understanding of the keto diet, let's discuss how you can effectively use it to achieve weight loss. To get started, you'll need to calculate your macronutrient ratios, specifically your fat, protein, and carbohydrate intake. This will vary depending on your goals, activity level, and individual needs. Online calculators can help you determine the right macronutrient ratios for your keto diet plan.
Well, viewers, if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe now.
Meal planning and preparation are crucial for success on the keto diet. Since the emphasis is on healthy fats, you need to plan your meals to ensure you're meeting your macro goals. Preparing meals in advance can also save time and help you avoid reaching for high-carb convenience foods when you're hungry. Starting new diet can present challenges, and the keto diet is no exception. Some common challenges include dealing with keto flu, which is a collection of symptoms that can occur during the initial transition period. Staying hydrated, replenishing electrolytes, and being patient with your body can help you overcome these obstacles. While the keto diet can help you shed pounds, incorporating exercise and tracking your progress is essential for long-term success. Regular exercise not only aids in weight loss, but also supports overall health and well-being. Engaging in a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises can help you maximize your results and maintain muscle mass while losing fat. Keeping track of your progress is an excellent way to stay motivated and adjust your approach if needed. Consider using tools such as weight scales, body measurements, and progress photos to document your journey. Remember, weight loss is not always linear, and it's essential to focus on overall health improvements. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on the keto diet and how to lose weight. Remember, before starting any new diet or exercise program, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.